Namaskaram. Welcome to the new episode of Nritha Saparya. In our previous episode, we have discussed about the Nattuvangam and the basic movements of Nattuvangam and how to use it and which are the gatis. These are the things we discussed in the previous episode. So in today's episode, we are going to see how to play Nattuvangam for Thattadavu. You can play it in whichever way you want, but I'm going to show you the way how my Guru Sri Adiyake Lakshman sir have taught me. So let us see how to do the Thattadavu in Nattuvangam. The first Thattadavu, just one open beat and close beat. The first and second Thattadavu are the same, one open beat and one close beat. So let's see. Te ya te, te ya te. Second speed. Te ya te, te ya te, te ya te, te ya te. So first and second Thattadavu goes in the same way. When it comes to third Thattadavu, it's two open beat and one close beat. So te ya te ya te, 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 te ya te ya te. So that was the third Thattadavu. Now when it comes to fourth one, it goes like three open beats and one close beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Te ya te ya te ya te, te ya te ya te ya te, te ya te ya te ya te. Teya, 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 teya. That's the teya, 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 teya. Next comes the fifth Thattadavu. Fifth Thattadavu goes like one open beat, one close beat, then open, open, close. So teya, teya, te, te, come. Teya, teya, te, te. Second speed. Teya, teya, te, te, come. 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 So that's how the fifth one. Now comes the sixth one. Sixth one is a repetition of third maybe. So it's like te, te, come. Tak, dhimmi, re. Te, come. Second speed. Te, te, come. Te, te, come. Te, te, come. Te, 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 come, te, te, come, te, te, come, te, te, come. Okay. When it comes to seventh Thattadavu, it is te, te, ta, ta, te, te, come. So three open beat, one close beat, and then two open beat, one close beat. Okay, when you are doing the fourth beat, we will emphasize a bit more. So let's see the seventh Thattadavu. Te, te, ta, ta, te, te, come. Tak, dhimmi, re. Te, ta, ta, te, te, come. Te, 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 te, ta, ta, te, te, come. Now comes the eighth one. Eighth one is like one open, one close. That's how it's going. Only the last three beats, two open beat and one close beat. So let's see how we can do the eighth Thattadavu. Te, 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 So this is how we do the Thattadavu in Nattuvangam. And when it comes to Nataraja, it's just open and close beat. Teyum, tatta, teyum, ta. So I'm not going to do a separate video for Nataraja because it's just one open and close beat. Let's learn more about Nattuvangam in our upcoming videos. Till then, Namaskaram.